Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with another topic, that is algebra from 6th class NCERT. Introduction. Introduction is about the algebra. Algebra is one of the branch of the mathematics. So before going to the know about the algebra, we have to learn about the another two branches of the mathematics also. So let's start. In earlier sessions, we may learn about the numbers and shapes. Numbers and shapes. Coming to the numbers, we applied some of operations and some of their properties also. So by using all this, we can solve our daily life problems, right? So by dealing with the numbers, that branch of mathematics is known as arithmetic. Arithmetic. So this is the main thing dealing with the numbers. So if you take shapes like square, rectangle, triangle, other than that, 2-dimension, 3-dimension. So here we can learn square, rectangular, these are perimeters and areas also. So this is also another branch of mathematics. So this is also another branch of mathematics. That is, we can call it as geometry. So you know, right? Geometry is based on the square, rectangular and 2D, 3D dimensions and their perimeters, areas, etc. etc. We are going through learn about the geometry, and where we can learn from numbers and their properties, operations like plus, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and properties like distributive property, cumulative property, like that. Those properties are we are applying with the numbers, so that is called as arithmetic. So apart from these two, we are learning about the algebra. So this is also one of the branch of the mathematics. So this is very interesting and useful also. So it is interesting and useful. Why? Because of, see, in algebra we are learning with, so generally we are using in this small case of alphabets. So that is our convenience. From A to Z we can take any letters, for example like X, L, M, O, P and so on. We can take any letter, but this letter what we are chosen like X, this is not a number. That is, we have to keep in mind. So this is not a number. If you take for example 5, this is the number 5. If you take 100, this is 100. These are particular numbers. But coming to the letters, this is not a number, but it doesn't have any perfect, it means fixed value. It doesn't have fixed value. So by using problems, we can solve that variable. So we can call it as unknown variable. Here unknown variable means unknown, we don't know, and variable means it can vary from 0 to infinity. So we cannot find that letter value for that purpose. We can find through the solving problem only. So this letter solving, it may leads to algebraic expressions and their properties. So these are you can learn in 7th class, but up to here how to find that letter might be having unknown value. And this is about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.